Whatever is seen on camera could be edited, and could be made to look as if actions were being partaken of, which we're not really partaking of in real life, okay? Where the fuck did I put those keys? I hope this angle looks decent. I can barely fucking see the camera. I gotta put a fucking level on this. Figure this shit out later. Got like my wallpaper. I know that shit's fire, dude. Y'all see this? Don't look at my phone. Y'all see how beautiful that is? Oh my god. Don't look at my phone. Don't look at the goddamn phone. I'm telling y'all, this is beautiful. This is the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Though, this fucking weather we're having today is, God blessed, immaculate. You know what I mean? We just going to the bank to deposit some schmeckles, couple pennies, couple dimes, and some quarters, baby. Because we gotta pay the renta. Messages. I'll be back, guys. I didn't even realize this shit was one way. My bad. My bad, dude. My bad, dude. Finna run out of gas, man. We finna run out of gas. Let's go get some gas and some ice cream, baby. I just deposited the money for the rent. We finna spend it on gas and ice cream. If people would use their directional signals, fucking life would be better, dude. Leave a like if you agree. I'm gonna start saying shit like that, like Mudkip is the best Pokemon. Leave a like if you agree, subscribe if you don't agree, and you know, comment if your opinion is different. And if it is Mudkip, then let me know in the comments down below why it is Mudkip. For me, I just have always loved water type Pokemon. When I was little, my favorite color was blue. It's changed. Yes. I'm telling you, dude, as soon as I turn on the camera, I have so much shit to say. It's like I'm talking to somebody when I turn this camera on. Somebody stop me. I'm getting too good at this. Somebody stop me. I feel like it's not... I can't tell if it's aligned or not. Ay, me caigo. Dale, güey. ¿Qué esperas? ¿Permiso? ¿Qué? What the fuck? Somebody left the bottom part of their car. Somebody's car is falling apart. Good luck, dude. Good luck out there, man. Life's hard, and if your car's falling apart, I'm sure it's fucking hard. Yeah, we in the Mexico lane, dude. Whatever is seen on camera could be edited, and could be made to look as if actions were being partaken of, which we're not really partaking of in real life, okay? I mean, just fucking look at it. You need gas and then ice cream. Good luck doing whatever the fuck you guys are doing. It's somewhere around here. I think it's after. Yeah, here we go. Oh my god. I'm about to put y'all on to the best fucking chocolate ice cream my tongue has ever licked. That shit sounds weird. I don't care if it sounds weird. We about to go in there and get some of this ice cream, dude. Package is acquired. Back to the cave, to the bat cave. Can we make it? Oh yeah, we can, baby. She do be sounding beautiful, I gotta admit. It looks a little tilted, I can't tell though. Once I rewatch the footage, I'll be able to tell if the angle is good or not. That was risky as shit. Unbelievably fast. I was going unbelievably fast. And I'm pretty sure the cop is on the other side. So I think we're gonna be okay. Ooh, pretty little day with a... I can't remember what he says in that song. Ooh. That shit is so funny though. Yeah, I'm in a itty bitty touch your knees.